Okay, so little short video to show you how to access your parent-teacher conferences, block times when you're not going to be available, etc. So on your home page, you see over here there is a check your schedule under parent-teacher conferences. That's one way to get to it. The other way is in My School, My PT Conferences. So either one of those will get you to the same place. Just click here. You notice there's a drop-down box at the top that has October 31st, November 7th. So those two different days. Then you have 15-minute increments of time. So let's say that you're a part-time teacher and you don't even get in until 2 o'clock. So you want to make all of the ones before 2 o'clock unavailable. All you do is highlight that and click on it. Makes it unavailable. And then if for some reason you decide, oh, hey, I want to make one in the middle available again, just click on it again and it'll be available. Now, when you check this, check it regularly, you will start to see parents' names show up on these. They'll be signing up using this as well. And one word to those of you who are also parents as well as staff members, as teachers, you may want to block out the times for sure that you are going to be able to sign up on somebody else's. So as soon as you as a parent get the option to sign up, you can go sign up and then go to yours and block off those times so that you have some time to go actually have conferences with your child's teachers. Now, just so you know, they don't have to happen October 1st or November 7th if you're in-house. Just make arrangements with that teacher. But if you want that to do them during the scheduled times, then please make sure you make those arrangements on your own. Okay, any questions? Let me know or let your department head know, and we'll get them sorted out for you. Thanks.